I am brushing my teeth.
I am brushing my teeth.
I am taking a shower.
I am taking a shower.
I am wearing my clothes.
I am wearing my clothes.
I am making breakfast.
I am making breakfast.
I am drinking a cup of tea.
I am drinking a cup of tea.
I am packing my bag.
I am packing my bag.
I am driving to work.
I am driving to work.
We are sitting on the sofa.
We are sitting on the sofa.
I am sending an email.
I am sending an email.
We are attending a meeting.
We are attending a meeting.
I am eating a sandwich for lunch.
I am eating a sandwich for lunch.
I am going for a walk.
I am going for a walk.
I am drinking a glass of water.
I am drinking a glass of water.
I am reading the file.
I am reading the file.
I am doing my homework.
I am doing my homework.
I am studying for the test.
I am studying for the test.
I am going to the gym.
I am going to the gym.
I am running on the treadmill.
I am running on the treadmill.
I am cooking dinner.
I am cooking dinner.
I am talking with my family.
I am talking with my family.
I am watching a movie.
I am watching a movie.
We are cleaning the kitchen.
We are cleaning the kitchen.
I am vacuuming the living room.
I am vacuuming the living room.
I am dusting the shelves.
I am dusting the shelves.
We are doing the laundry.
We are doing the laundry.
We are folding the clothes.
We are folding the clothes.
I am ironing my shirt.
I am ironing my shirt.
I am reading a book.
I am reading a book.
I am listening to music.
I am listening to music.
I am making the bed.
I am making the bed.
I am setting my alarm.
I am setting my alarm.
I am checking my phone.
I am checking my phone.
I am writing in my journal.
I am writing in my journal.
I am making a to-do list.
I am making a to-do list.
I am organizing my desk.
I am organizing my desk.
I am preparing my lunch.
I am preparing my lunch.
I am watering the plants.
I am watering the plants.
I am washing the dishes.
I am washing the dishes.
I am putting on my shoes.
I am putting on my shoes.
I am walking the dog.
I am walking the dog.
We are greeting our neighbor.
We are greeting our neighbor.
I am going to the supermarket.
I am going to the supermarket.
I am buying some groceries.
I am buying some groceries.
I am paying the bills.
I am paying the bills.
I am calling my friend.
I am calling my friend.
I am answering the phone.
I am answering the phone.
I am wrapping a gift.
I am wrapping a gift.
I am taking a nap.
I am taking a nap.
I am making a smoothie.
I am making a smoothie.
We are reading the newspaper.
We are reading the newspaper.
I am filling the water bottle.
I am filling the water bottle.
I am baking cookies.
I am baking cookies.
I am combing the cat.
I am combing the cat.
We are tidying up the room.
We are tidying up the room.
We are setting the table.
We are setting the table.
I am washing my hands.
I am washing my hands.
I am applying lotion.
I am applying lotion.
I am combing my hair.
I am combing my hair.
I am brushing my hair.
I am brushing my hair.
I am opening the window.
I am opening the window.
I am lifting the curtain.
I am lifting the curtain.
I am lighting a candle.
I am lighting a candle.
I am polishing my shoes.
I am polishing my shoes.
I am folding the blanket.
I am folding the blanket.
I am taking a vitamin.
I am taking a vitamin.
I am applying lipstick to my lips.
I am applying lipstick to my lips.
I am placing an order online.
I am placing an order online.
We are reading a bedtime story.
We are reading a bedtime story.
I am stretching my arms.
I am stretching my arms.
I am yawning deeply.
I am yawning deeply.
I am breathing in the fresh air.
I am breathing in the fresh air.
We are feeding the birds.
We are feeding the birds.
We are planting flowers in the garden.
We are planting flowers in the garden.
I am signing a contract.
I am signing a contract.
We are learning a new language.
We are learning a new language.
I am practicing yoga.
I am practicing yoga.
We are jogging in the park.
We are jogging in the park.
I am playing the piano.
I am playing the piano.
I am knitting a scarf.
I am knitting a scarf.
I am sewing a dress.
I am sewing a dress.
We are hiking in the mountains.
We are hiking in the mountains.
We are fishing at the lake.
We are fishing at the lake.
I am repairing a bicycle.
I am repairing a bicycle.
I am arranging flowers in a vase.
I am arranging flowers in a vase. For more valuable content, explore the other videos on our channel. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue creating content that you love.